everyone, welcome back to Dino Kids. I hope you are safe and healthy. So in today's video I'm going to share that how you can create any kind of prop for recitation competition of your child in the school or any kind of festival that is occurring and you want to create something creative for your child, so you can get an inspiration from my this video. I was making this prop for my child English recitation competition at his school. So I just thought why not to share it with you guys as well, so that you can get some ideas as well. So for this I have just taken this printout and I have designed this printout as per my child recitation competition title and everything that is required for that. So here you could see I have made some stars and dot lines at the bottom. Here I have written I am lucky, which is the title of the recitation competition for my child at school. You can take any title and you can write it here easily, right? So I'm just gonna cut out the extra part of it. So this is the final cutout, and as you could see the title is little blank, so I'm gonna make it beautiful by adding some beautiful colors to it. You can ask your child as well to color it, as they will feel connected by this, that they are also the part of creating a prop for their poem. So this is the final look which I have given to it after securing it with the transparent tape. Now we're gonna see that how we can use this prop in form of a cap, right? So for that you must be needing some ribbon, right? So here as you could see I'm using a red ribbon here, and I'm going to secure it at the back side of this prop, right? You can use glue or transparent tape or anything else that you want to secure it nicely. Here I have used the transparent tape only, right? And now any child can use it as a headband or a cap, right? They can easily tie it as per their head width. You can tie it as per the comfortness of your child, right? So this is the final look which you could see, as my elder son is wearing it as a headband or a cap, right? So I hope you find this video useful and the idea worth sharing. Then please let me know in the comment section, and I'll be coming with another part 2 of the prop for the same recitation competition, right? So stay tuned with us, and thank you so much guys for your time.